Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of skincare. Honestly speaking, skincare has been a big part of my life and I have tried countless products and routines over the years. But you know what? There are some myths and misconceptions about skincare that I think it's time to burst. Myth number 1, sunscreen is only necessary in summer or sunny days. Let me burst this myth for once and for you all. UV rays are sneaky little buggers that can penetrate through clouds and your windows. Whether it's rainy, cloudy or sunny outside, wearing sunscreen on everyday basis, it's just non-negotiable. It's your best defense against premature aging, hyperpigmentation or even skin cancer. Myth number 2, natural remedies are always safe, which is not true. While I'm all for incorporating natural ingredients into my skincare routine, but not all DIY remedies are created equal. Take lemon juice or baking soda for example. They are often used as a miracle ingredient to treat acne or brighten up your skin. However, they can be too harsh and disruptive for your skin's pH balance. And that leads to irritation and skin damage, especially if you have irritated skin or if you have sensitive skin or if you have damaged skin or if your skin barrier is broken, then you are finished, my friend. I have recently discovered this Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum and I've been using this one a lot lately. Now when it comes to facial serums, it's not just about the active ingredient it has, but the formulation is equally important. Now this is the serum I'm using right now and I already have a backup of this because I love this one so much. And let me tell you, this serum has got it all. It's enriched with the powerful combination of vitamin C, niacinamide and salicylic acid, which works together to brighten your skin and fade those pesky dark spots. First of all, it's enriched with 30 times vitamin C. It's super effective and potent. Plus, it promises to fade dark spots and dull skin within just 3 days. And the best part, it's free from sulfate and parabens, so you don't have to worry about what you are putting on your skin. As I've already cleansed my skin, I'm directly moving on to the serum. I will apply a couple of drops of the serum onto my face. This is a very lightweight, fast absorbing and hydrating serum, so I will gently apply it all over my face and neck. I mostly prefer using it at night before going to the bed, and the very next morning you will wake up with the most beautiful skin ever. This has a very lightweight, non-oily formula that instantly penetrates into the skin and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. It's very hydrating on the skin and it leaves your skin look radiant and glowy. Coming to myth number 3, which is oily skin doesn't need moisturizer, and trust me, I used to believe this one too when I was in college. I know I am guilty of that. But here's the truth, oily skin still needs hydration, okay? If you don't like thick, heavy moisturizer, using a very lightweight, non-comedogenic hydrating moisturizer can really help, and it also helps your excessive sebum production and it maintains your hydration balance. So never skip your moisturizer even if you have oily skin just like me, and use it throughout the year, okay? Be it summer or winter, never skip your moisturizer. And there you have it folks, 3 most common skincare myths debunked. I hope you find this video informative and helpful, and always remember, skincare is all about finding what works best for you and what suits your skin, and always embrace your natural beauty, okay? So yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next video.